I've got the Samsung Galaxy S25, and in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to wirelessly transfer photos, videos, and files from your phone to a Windows computer or from a Windows computer to your phone. So we're going to be doing this wirelessly. Now, obviously, you can use a cable if you want to, but for this specific tutorial, it's going to be wireless file transfer and wireless photo and video transfer. So the first thing you need to do is make sure on your computer you have QuickShare installed. Now, QuickShare is an application. It's an official Android app that allows you to transfer files and folders between your Windows computer and your Android phone. Okay, so this is the app. If you don't have it installed, then you can always go to the official android.com website, this particular page. I'll link it down below. And from here, you can just download QuickShare and have it installed on your computer. The next thing you need to do is make sure you have Wi-Fi on your computer and, of course, Bluetooth. So once you do that, the Samsung already comes pre-installed with QuickShare, so you don't need to install anything. You just need to make sure you go to the QuickShare settings by swiping down to the control panel, or rather to the quick settings panel, and then slide down again to reveal all the quick settings panel, and you should see QuickShare. Now make sure it's enabled first, and then you can long press on it to go to the QuickShare settings, and make sure under who can share with you, it's set to everyone. Now this is only going to be on for 10 minutes before it automatically turns itself off for obvious security reasons. Now for this 10 minutes, if you tap on done, now this phone is actually discoverable. So what you need to do is go to the QuickShare app on your computer and make sure also you click on the left-hand side panel and then make sure receiving from everyone is selected. So now we are ready to transfer files. So let's start with the Galaxy S25 to the computer. So I'm just going to pick these two images, for instance, from the Photos app, and then hit the share button and then tap on Quick Share. And it's going to look for devices. Now, just tap on continue for now because it's the first time. Now it's currently scanning for nearby devices that it can send these items to. So it should detect my computer, which is an Acer PC. So as you can see, my Acer has been found. Now it currently says screen off. So let's try again. So select your computer and it's going to attempt to connect. So it says connecting here. So it's going to try and connect to the computer. One thing you need to do is to make sure both the S25 and your computer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So then you can see S25 wants to send a file, so you just have to click on accept and it's going to be sent. Now you can open, if you click on open, it opens the file, or rather the folder where that file is, and as you can see, our file is right here. So let's try sending a file from the computer to the Galaxy S25. Now for this one, all you have to do is just drag the file into this section on the QuickShare app. And then it's going to look for devices. You can see it's detected my S25 Ultra. I'll just click on it to select it. And then from here, I'll see the option to accept a file from QuickShare. Just tap on accept. And it's going to get sent and I can open the file from here. So that is basically how to transfer files, photos, and videos from your Galaxy S25 to a Windows PC or from a Windows PC to Galaxy S25. This also works for other files. It doesn't have to be photos and videos. You can go into the Files app and send and receive any kind of app. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a like, possibly also subscribe for more tips, and I will get back to you or talk to you in the next one. Good luck.